Let's get that to focus. Focus, focus. Hey y'all, there we go. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Regan, and you know we're always keeping it happy, healthy, and positive. Okay. So I am trying my best to survive during quarantine, and luckily my job has given us tomorrow off for Good Friday. So I said, you know what? I just took my nails off and put this little set on here, just my gel polish, because there is another project that I want to do, and I want you guys to be here for it because it could go terribly wrong. But you see my hair right now? You see this little bun? That's not what's up. So guess what I'm gonna do, y'all? I know, I'm crazy, right? I'm gonna try and braid my own hair. Box braids. I'm gonna try and do jumbo box braids. And I'm actually laughing because I can't braid. Out of everyone in my family, I am the one that is least capable of braiding, let alone trying to box braid. So I'm gonna be doing the rubber band method, and honestly what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make all my parts tonight, and then I'll actually braid tomorrow in the morning. It is trial and error, and if it ends up being all error, I'ma still try and wear it, make it look cute. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna be using. I've got a couple of clips for my hair, my edge control, both of these. More than likely I'm gonna use this one the most. Rubber bands, because I'm doing rubber band method. Both rat tail combs. This one's gonna be more efficient for me since it's got the metal tip. A regular comb and my brush. Okay, so I've decided to just do square parts because why make this process any more complicated than it already is going to be by trying to do triangles in the back of my head where I can't see. So I'll show you guys what I have so far. This is what I have. So I'm gonna work my way through, and I hope this looks okay back there. I can't tell. I really can't. It's like too far away for me to be able to see. But we're gonna go ahead and keep going, and we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. But yeah, let's work our way through this. Okay, it's 10:31. This is what I have so far. Hope you can see it. The back, maybe a little wonky, but from the looks of it, I don't think it's looking completely terrible. So now I just have to work my way up through here, and then I'm gonna call it a night, and then we'll pick back up. This is the last section. I just did the front, and I just clipped it back so that it's out of the way real quick. But yeah, girl, we almost done. All right. we're done. Oh my God. We're done. The parts look a little bit crazy, but I'm honestly just proud of myself for finishing. But yeah, I will see you guys in the morning, and then we are gonna grind through and finish this up so I can slay, and then I can be on quarantine radio. Just kidding, but yeah. Good morning, you guys. So it's the next day, obviously. I'm about to get started. I just wanted to make sure that I took a shower and all of that because I want to get that stuff out of the way. So it is currently, God, I can't see, 8:26. I need to put my watch on. Don't mind the junk in my background, you know, that's all normal stuff. But yeah, let's go, girls. I'm just kind of at a loss because I don't know how to start this braid. I'm gonna do the one in the front first. So I've got my hair here. I'm using the Formation pre-stretched braiding hair, maybe. Is that how you do it? I have no idea. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Oh, snap. I totally just did it. Okay, I just put it on there and I just like attempted. Only thing is, I'm like, how do you? Honestly, it's not looking terrible. So my camera is gonna die, but if you can see, it doesn't look too bad. I am quite surprised at myself here. We're gonna dip these ends, of course, later, and I'm probably gonna start adding more hair in the middle. But I'm gonna change my camera battery and we're gonna keep it moving. Okay, you guys, so look at this front braid. So I called Martha, there she go, on FaceTime, and she was like, you need to add more hair, and I was kind of scared, but this is the look I was going for. So now if y'all see me when this is done, I'm gonna have 2 small ugly braids in the back, and then the rest are gonna be jumbo. Oh wow, I cannot believe I did this. You guys, look, like, it doesn't look half bad for me to do this for the first time. So we're gonna keep it going. Okay guys, so I'm checking in. I have quite a few done. Ever since Martha told me to grab the bigger pieces of hair, that's really helped because that was the look I was going for. So I got these little itty bitty ones back here. I'm just gonna leave them. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I did it. So this is the size of the hair that I've got here. All right, so I'm gonna take, I wanna do a piece that you can actually see me do. Let's do this one. All right, so I'm not gonna put too much edge control on the top here because I feel like it will actually blend in. But I'm sorry, my hair is kind of dark, so you may not even be able to see. But got the piece here. And what I've been doing is just taking the hair, wrapping it around. I'm gonna pull my hair out. And essentially knot the hair over the rubber band. So I'm gonna braid that down just a bit. Yeah, this other piece of hair is getting in the way. All right, so as you can see, I've started the braid. This is where I pinch some off of this piece to add to the section with my real hair. And now I'm just going to keep braiding. I'm not gonna add any edge control until I get towards the end of where my hair is. And I'm very slow, very, very slow, as my friend has pointed out here. This is my first time, so that explains why. I'm gonna pinch off some hair from here again, but that will explain to you why I'm so slow, obviously. Okay, and so as we braid down, it starts to look like this. So like a braid, of course. My other hair is getting in the way here. But yeah, we're just gonna keep braiding down. And then I'm gonna show you where I try and tuck my real hair. All right, so see here, my real hair is at its end. This is where I'm gonna take my edge control. Usually I would try to use a wax, like Murray's edge wax, but I've got some on my finger and I'm just grabbing it and smearing the edge control all on there so it kind of blends in. That way I can try and tuck the hair in there. And that makes it a little more seamless. The way your hair is not sticking out. I didn't douse all of my hair in edge control as I started, just because one, I don't have that much, and two, I kind of feel like it's a little unnecessary for this look. But we're gonna continue to braid down. And it's gonna be a little frizzy because, you know, this is a novice braid, to be honest. Last braid. It's the last one. Whew. Right up here. So I'm just putting some edge control on the top half of this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, you guys, so I just finished. This looks way better than I ever thought it would look. I did not know I was capable of this. Just like flabbergasted at how amazing like this looks. Okay. So let's dip these ends and then we'll really be all done. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm super, super pleased and excited with how it turned out, because honestly, I did not think that it would go this greatly. So, ooh, so you know, it's a little frizzy up top, but it's definitely manageable. And it goes all the way down to like mid-hip, you know. So, even though we're in quarantine, that don't mean we can't be cute. So, I'm not gonna know how to act by myself for the next however long I keep these in. But yeah, so this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram. That is @RFMB. And you can also follow my health and fitness inspired Fitstagram at RayRVA_BBG. All of them will be linked below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.